Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to unbox my new Razer Viper Mini mouse. Okay, first of all we're going to take it out from the box and check any accessory inside the box. After that we are going to connect it with the computer and let's see. Okay, now let's have a look around with this box. You can see the logo here. It changing color by when we rotating the mouse box, and here is the information on the side view, back view, and this side is only the logo Razer. And now just take it out from the box. You can see it's the seal here. Just take it out. Okay, and just take it out from the box. Okay, when we take it out from the box, there's nothing inside the box, so we have only the user manual with this Viper Mini. And then you need to take it out like this, and we have the cable and the mouse. Okay, just take the mouse out. You can see okay, on the bottom of it we have the Viper Mini, Razer Viper Mini, model, product number, and another information. And now I try to measuring the length of this mouse, and I will tell you the exact length. Okay, so the length of the cable is about 2 meters, and you can see the material of this cable. It is different from the okay, if we compare to another mouse, you can see I'm not display the logo. It's just a plastic cable, and the material of this is better than the normal one. Okay, it for the long time using. Okay, and check inside the manual. It has the Razer logo, and here we have some instruction inside. It will tell you for every button and every function what it's called. You can take time read it out. Okay, now we let's go on to connect it with the computer. Okay, now I connect it to the computer. Okay, you can see. And here we have another RGB, so I turn off the light. Okay, you can see it's the RGB here and another RGB on the bottom of the mouse. Okay, it's now showing up the Razer Viper Mini on the computer screen, so I didn't press anything. So now let's next together. Next. Okay, install. Razer Cortex. Okay, install. Okay, now click download, trying to install. So after install here, continue. Okay, 99%. Okay, installing 99%. Okay, you can see the Razer Cortex is here, and now it's done. Just press get start. Just continue as a guest. Yes. Okay, just skip. Okay, now we found device, our Razer Viper Mini. Standard. What's that? So I chose standard. Lighting. We can adjust the brightness here. You can see the brightness of the mouse is lower now. Okay, and then I take it 100 again. You will see the brightness is up. Okay, we're going to play around it later. Now I think that is the end of this video, because I'm not sure about this program. I don't want to take your time more than that. And now I hope you got the point, and let me say goodbye. Thanks for your time watching this video. I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.